Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to make a dripping effect in Photoshop. First, open your image in Photoshop. Then go to the select menu, click on the subject. Again, go to the select menu, click on the select and marks. Follow the process. Then go to the file menu, click on the place inverted. Then select magic control and click this. Go to the select menu, click on the inverse. Press Ctrl J, layer copy. Right click on the layer and select pixel. Again, go to the select menu, click on the inverse. Select brush tool and follow the process. And remove the background. Click on the color icon in the layer panel, select gradient, follow the process. Right click on the layer, click on the drop shadow, follow the process. Right click on the drop layer, create a layer and select the erase tool and remove the extra shadow. Now we make a dripping effect in Photoshop. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget like, comment and subscribe for more videos.